Okay, let's get the ball rolling. First trade to start with is a nice potential setup on EURGBP. I've been watching this afternoon. Basically, for the last 6 or 7 days, it's had a strong uptrend, which a few people have definitely taken advantage of. However, it's looking as if it's going to set up a reversal of some kind. The top of the price chart appears to be rounding off, and the 60-minute chart, which is key to my trading, is showing very strong divergence. If you look particularly over the last 2 or 3 days, the price has still been steadily moving up, but both indicators are hard down, indicating a possible change in direction. That's the 60-min. Let me just show you some other time frames, just to put you really in the picture. I'll drag the 240 in quickly. As you can see, it's bounced off a very prominent double bottom there, up strongly for a few days, and the top of the price action is starting to level out. And as I said, on the 60-minute chart, you can see it starting to turn around. Again, the indicators are starting to turn. The RSI particularly, you can see lower lows and lower highs setting in. So that's looking quite weak now. All we need is a setup to get in. Let's have a look at the 15-minute for that. Okay, nothing at the minute. 15 indicators are looking relatively flat, so there's nothing really to speak of there. So we'll just keep an eye on the 60-minute chart and the 15 for the time being, and see if anything sets up. Okay, right. The trade has set up a little bit quicker than I suspected it would, but there appears to be quite a good entry opportunity there right now. We are quite close to closing for the weekend, so I'm hoping it's going to be a quick trade. I've had a look at the other euro crosses. A lot of them look quite weak and heading lower, so I suspect that this one may well give us a decent run, and I'm hoping it'll be quite quick before the close on Friday night, as I say. The price and indicators look very similar to what they did a short time ago. As you can see, the 60 indicators still hard down. Price looking like it's turned on the 60 quite nicely. Nice lower high and a lower low, indicating a change in 60 trend. And on the 15 chart, and the 5 particularly, there's a nice flat level which we can trade off. We're sitting on that flat level at the minute. As soon as it passes through there, the trade will be triggered. My order is in, and you can see my stop loss quite close behind the latest high. We've also got good protection there in the form of the pivot point, which will give us some more ammunition if the price goes against us. So we'll just see how that develops. Okay, the market has just closed. As you can see, a good end result. About 5 minutes before the market closed, I was watching, ready to close the position. Obviously, we don't really want to hold over the weekend. So I was ready to take a small win, but just before the market closed, there was a little spike, as you can see on the 5 minute, and it hit my first target, which was just before the daily pivot point there. So that's it. All good. A 30-point winner and one in the bag for the PP team.